Welcome to iCare, a patient-centric electronic medical recording system. Meet Zach. He moved from Mexico to USA in 1990 in his early 20s. He studied, worked, married and settled with his family in USA. In last 21 years, he lived in few different places. His medical record information is everywhere, from Mexico to United States, staying with different healthcare provider, insurance provider. And it's very difficult for Zach to access that information. It becomes really critical when there is an emergency situation. And it's not just the problem for Zach, for his parents who are in 70s, for his kids, born in USA, moving to Canada, might study and settle somewhere else. So it's a bigger problem. And there are millions of Zach in US and billions worldwide. How patients can navigate this huge data overflow? The answer is give them control, make them accountable, give them the stake in a big health ecosystem with the help of iCare. We are proposing a patient-centric electronic medical record system where patients can control their record anytime, anywhere. We are proposing an app iCare, and we will be leveraging secured @Sign platform where patients they can record their health history using Pictal Health. They can tell their health story and that will be visualized on our platform. And if they have any existing medical records or reports, they can definitely upload there. It's very difficult for them or even for me to access all my medical records in last 10-20 years. So rather start from the scratch. Tell your medical story, patient history and get that recorded via Pictal Health. Average doctor's visit, especially in person, is 17.4 minutes. And it's very difficult for a patient to tell the entire story, and at the same time it's difficult for provider to capture all the information, process all the information while doing other activities. So with that, we are giving them this QR code or downloadable PDF. And it can also be leveraged for remote consultation, for e-visit, virtual visit. And once this visit is over, patient can get this downloadable PDF from their current health provider and upload in their system, in our system. Here is our future roadmap. So do you control your PHI? Make iCare even better by joining us and access your health record from anywhere, anytime. Thank you very much.